Hello, my name is Nsisong Apanudo, and today I'll be answering a few interview style questions relating to SQL, one of the most essential tools for data management and analysis. So, the first question goes: how do you explain what SQL is to someone without a technical background? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It's like the language we use to communicate with database to ask questions, organize, and update information. For example, just like you might use filters to find a specific contact in your phone, SQL lets you filter and retrieve specific records from a large collection of data in a structured way. It is widely used by analysts, developers, and data scientists to store, retrieve, and manipulate data efficiently. Second question is: what are the different types of keys in SQL, and when do you use them? So in SQL, keys help identify and relate data across tables. So the main types of keys are primary key, which is a unique identifier for each record in a table, like a student ID in a class list. The second one is foreign key, which connects one table to another, ensuring relationships are maintained. Third one is the unique key. So the unique key prevents duplicate values in a column, but unlike the primary key, it can be null. Primary key cannot be null. Composite key, a combination of two or more columns used together to uniquely identify a record. The last one is a candidate key, which all possible columns that can serve as a primary key. That's a candidate key. So we use these keys to maintain data consistency, ensure uniqueness, and define relationships between tables. The third question is: can you list all the joins in SQL and use case for each of them? Yes, SQL joins are used to combine rows from two or more tables based on related columns. So the main types are inner join. The inner join return all the records that have matching values in both tables. Basically, it's used for finding common data. The second one is the left join or the left outer join. So the left join return all the records from the left table plus matches from the right table. It is used when you want everything from the main table, even if no match exists. The third one is the right join or the right outer join. So the the right join or the right outer join is similar to the left join. So basically, it includes all rows from the right table that matches with the left. The third one is the full join or the full outer join. So the full join basically it returns all the records when there is no match in either table. So it's good for seeing all data regardless of whether it matches or not. The third one here is the cross join. The cross join returns every possible combination of rows between two tables, useful for generating test data or combination. The last one is the self join. A self join joins a table to itself, often used for cooperative data within the same table. So the third question is: what is the importance of data integrity in your work with SQL? Data integrity ensures that information stored in database is accurate, consistent, and reliable over its entire life cycle. In my work, maintaining data integrity means applying constraints, validations, and referential rules to prevent errors such as duplicates, missing relationships, or incorrect data types. So it is essential because it's it is essential because all business decisions, analytics, and reports rely on trustworthy data. Without data integrity, even the best analysts or the best analysis can lead to wrong decisions. So, in summary, SQL helps us to communicate with data effectively, maintain structure through keys, connect data through joins and ensure trust through data integrity, just like integrity matters in other platforms like CI. In cloud, we have CI. In networking, is still CI. That is confidential integrity and availability. Thank you.